Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. And sometimes you're going to hear the same story coming back again and again because all of them did have follow Jesus and all of them did see the same miracle them happen. But today me really have a question. We're going to read about the man where Jesus did run whole heap of demon out of. And me I look at all the people them after they see what Jesus do for the man. Instead of them think about what Jesus could have done for them run Jesus out of the area. Make you think about it. Are we prepared to host Jesus or are we sending him away? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to build them faith, listening to God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one person. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell for make sure say you don't miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 8 from verse 26 to verse 39. Them sail go to the country where the Gerasenes people them live, where they cross from Galilee. Same time Jesus come out of the boat, one man from the town come up to him. The man did have a demon. For a long time, him did a walk naked and never did live in a no house. A burying ground him did live. When the man spot Jesus, him bawl out and drop himself in front of Jesus. Him shout out pan top of him voice, left with no Jesus, the most high God pickney. Do, me I beg you, no make me suffer. Him said that cause Jesus did start to tell the demon to come out of him. Whole heap of time, the demon did take him over. So people used to chain up his hand and foot them and guard him. But he would have broke out of the chain them and the demon would have carried go which part nobody no there. So Jesus asked him, say, where your name? Him answer back, whole heap. I saw his name. Him say I saw his name cause enough demon they go in him. The demon them did a beg Jesus. Nothing tell them if we go down at the demon prison. The pit when I no bottom. No, one whole heap of hag did a nyamp on the hillside. The demon them beg Jesus for make them go in at the hag them. And Jesus make them go on. So the demon them come out of the man and go in at the hag them. And the whole of the hag them take off down this steep hillside, go straight in a lake and drown. When the man them will look after hag them, see what happen. Them run go spread the news in a town and the place them where they near the town too. So the people them go to see what did happen. When they reach which part Jesus did they see the man where Jesus run the demon them out. Him did a sit down at Jesus' foot. Him did have on clothes and in him right mind. And the people them catch them afraid. The one them where did see what happen, tell the other people them, oh Jesus make the man with it having demon get better. Then all of the Gerasenes people them and everybody who live near them did well afraid. So them asked Jesus for left them area. Jesus go in a boat and go away. When Jesus did a left, the man way run the demon them out did a beg fi go with him. But Jesus sent him away and say, go a your yard. Go tell everybody all where God do for you. The man left, go spread the news all over the town and tell them all where Jesus do for him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.